Alright, hello everybody. So this video segment is going to segue into one of my creations. I'm replicating Spock's tricorder. Probably sell it on the Bitcoin market. So I'll show you a schematic first of all. Okay, here we go. So, can you see that? There we go. So there's a computer hooked up to a battery, an amplifier, and a transformer. This is my moleskin. You can't get like a generic moleskin these days. You can. Why would you get a generic moleskin when you can get like a Star Wars moleskin? So that's the computer with the motherboard, and you see the battery pack, the amplifier, and this right here is the piezo element, right? So I'm going to turn this on. And so this is a programmable chip in there, and writing a program, you could make those different notes. So this tricorder program, I'm going to get this all cleaned up. I don't know if I'm going to put it in a tricorder case that you could buy. You could buy like the empty cases for the like movie sets for Star Trek. But the frequencies, there's frequencies that will get rid of mosquitoes, like the Egypti mosquitoes that carry yellow fever. Out here we have, like, you know, malaria, Zika virus. There's frequencies that chase bears away. Different frequencies chase the dogs away, any kind of canine, or we have raccoons, you know, stuff like that. And so here's the little transformer, and the element right there is a high frequency emitter. So what you could see is like you put a gigantic tweeter on there, you know, and the frequencies that eliminate the mosquitoes are above the human range of hearing, which is 20,000 hertz, cycles per second. It's 20K. Musicians could probably hear it, you know, 22K, 22,000 is probably the upper range, but there's a certain range for mosquitoes to get rid of them. So I put there's also like a volume jack and an input jack, so you can use the amplifier from your cell phone in there. It's not ready to go up for Bitcoin yet. So as you can see, the program I developed, it's in BASIC. That's a BASIC stamp. That is it's going in a loop, right? And so right now I just have it on a toggle switch, but what you want is the loop to always go, and then you hit a button for different programs. So you'll have a button for the mosquitoes, coyotes, bear, right? Any kind of animal that you want to get rid of. It actually might call a Bigfoot, right? So Bigfoots aren't known to mutilate you. They are. For the most part, you don't have to really worry about Bigfoots. If you pay any attention to Bigfoot, they're associated with cattle mutilations. But anyway, so that's my tricorder. I got it programmed right now for camping in the Sierra, for animal deterrence, and mostly like to chase the mosquitoes away. But it would be interesting to put like some sensors on there or anything like that, you know, for that. But there it is. I could leave links to buying the computer that was used there. The code is long. Maybe I can. There's no way to put the code in the comment section. Maybe I'll try, see if I can. I'll just put the code there.